Are you struggling to improve your vocabulary in English? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will provide you with effective tips and strategies to enhance your vocabulary skills. Learning new words can be challenging, but with the right approach, it can become an enjoyable journey. One effective method is to read extensively. Dive into books, articles, and blogs to expand your vocabulary. Another great way to improve your vocabulary is by watching movies and TV shows in English. Practice makes perfect. Engage in conversations with native English speakers to enhance your language skills. Flashcards are a handy tool for memorizing new words. Create your own flashcards and review them regularly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep pushing yourself to expand your vocabulary. To make vocabulary learning more engaging, challenge yourself with word games and puzzles. Expand your vocabulary by learning synonyms and antonyms. It will enrich your language skills. Don't forget to practice what you learn. Use new words in your daily conversations and writing. Stay consistent and dedicated. Set achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Immerse yourself in English language resources. Surround yourself with English books, podcasts, and music. Take advantage of online vocabulary tools and apps. They can make your learning journey more interactive and fun. Don't limit yourself to textbooks. Explore different genres of literature to broaden your vocabulary. Join online communities and language exchange programs to connect with fellow English learners. Stay motivated and celebrate your progress. Remember, every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. Make vocabulary learning a daily habit. Consistency is key to mastering the English language. Keep challenging yourself and never stop learning. The journey to vocabulary mastery is a lifelong adventure. Thank you for joining us on this vocabulary building journey. Start implementing these strategies today.